So this is your first time, right?
Yes.
So,
I am also not much familiar with motorbike. I ride automatic motorbike sometime.
yeah.
So yeah.
So first thing that you have to know, it's not so good. Push it
It's-
down very far from the handlebar like this.
Okay.
It is not a good position to control.
It's not a good position,
Yeah.
so I sit in
Yeah,
front.
you can lose control also.
Okay.
By the way, you must sit down maximum to the front like this.
Okay.
Your body straight, your both hand inside like this.
Mm-hmm.
And I will not recommend you to hold like this because some part of the road is really bumpy.
Also, not to hold here, like
yeah,
fully
yeah,
hold
yeah,
here.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
When you go to the bumpy road, you can lose control like this.
Right.
Better you hold inside like that. Down inside.
Mm-hmm.
And normally, when you ride a bicycle or motorbike, that one is two wheel.
Yes.
Naturally, when you turn, you just turn a little bit and you lean the body like this.
Right.
Like this you turn. But this one don't feel confused because one two wheel, this one is four wheel. It's very stable. If you feel confused, I'm sure 100% you could not turn very well.
Okay.
So the best way to turn, just keep your body straight, only your both hand. When
Right.
you want to turn, push and pull.
Okay.
Okay? It's very
Understand.
important.
So no need to turn. Just
No, no.
if I turn, then
Yeah.
something.
Yeah, cannot
it
turn
will.
very well, yeah.
Okay.
So, same the car. You drive the car at home?
No, I don't.
Yeah. Even in the car, we make only a steering wheel. But in
Right.
It's
See.
the same because it's four wheel.
Mm.
For information, this is the rear brake
Okay.
and this is the front brake.
Okay.
And the motorbike, the accelerator here,
Yes.
but this one different, the accelerator here.
Okay.
Yeah.
See.
For controlling the accelerator, I would like to recommend you to control to put the whole thumb like this to control. You know why? Like this, it's much more better to control. If you control like this, 20 minutes or 30 minutes drive,
Right. So my full should be fully on
Right,
the
yeah.
accelerator. Okay.
like this, much more better.
And do I hold both brake
When you
too?
press, it go. When you release, it slow down.
I see.
Yeah.
But do I hold it like with the slight hand on the brakes, or is it just supposed to be like this?
Yeah, like this.
Like.
When you
Okay.
want to brake, you release the brake. And
I release the accelerator and okay, good.
And this is automatic, but we have a transmission here. And
Okay. Okay.
And for neutral, R for reverse,
Reverse.
A forward. We are on a flat road. L also forward, but climbing the mountain.
It's uphill.
Yeah.
I see.
So,
But we will ride in neutral.
We are
on the
only,
flat.
Only flat road.
So we will go on the edge. Okay.
Start the engine. Just turn on the key. Stay in neutral. Turn on the key. Press the green button one.
Okay.
Yeah. And now we are in neutral. When you move forward like this. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Edge. Okay.
You don't accelerator. That's only when you accelerate here. Yeah.
Okay. So are you pressing both brakes or just?
When you press, release the brake. When you brake, release the accelerator.
I see. But you are using rear brake or the front brake? Rear, right? Both of them.
both.
Okay.
And also reverse.
I see.
Brake.
Okay. Looks simple. So the rear brake is this
Here,
one.
here.
Okay.
It's a front brake.
But we have to use both of them
Yeah.
because.
And to like sometimes you use one brake, it's not only brake two wheel at the back. So
I
you
see.
use two brake like this, four wheel at the same time.
I see.
And
And do we need to brake gently or we can brake all the way in?
yeah, just
Gently,
brake,
right?
Yeah, gently.
Yeah. Because if the bike is fast, we don't want to
Yeah.
go forward. And is there a safety, like a safe seat belt or something like that?
Well, before you leave, we have like
Harness.
like a few recommendation before you leave.
Okay.
Like please between you will join with them also. And but between each other, please do not forget to keep a safety distance.
Safety distance, right?
About 5 or 6 meters from each other.
Okay.
You know why? Two reasons about that. If you go very close together, the driver at the front will make a lot of dirt to the driver at the back. It's not so
Yeah.
right for everybody. And second reason, we got a few experience already. Sometimes the driver at the front brake because we never know something happen on the way. They will let the cow, or the buffalo, chicken, dog, pig, or children. Sometimes they run over you. When the driver at the front brake, and If you go very close together, the driver at the front and the back will have no time to brake.
I see.
Even the brake very strong, very powerful, you could not stop immediately.
So the driver, I mean, the instructor will be at the front of everyone.
Yeah.
So he will check if there is any obstacle. He will brake and he will alert everyone.
They will
Okay.
let you, they will
He will say, okay. But our speed will be like what speed we are
We are
allowed?
not going to race. It's countryside through.
Yeah.
we
So
drive
it's
it in
like
the
around
corners,
20
yeah.
or
Relax.
relax. Just chill. Okay.
Yeah.
Great.
And also, if you wear a short like this,
Yeah.
after you drive for a while, you will feel uncomfortable for your leg a little bit because the heat from the engine.
I see.
But I will not recommend you to sit down like this. You know why? The accelerator here.
Right.
Sometimes when you turn, you can be adjusted.
Exactly.
With the quarter at the front and drive at the back and start.
So the heat will dissipate
yeah,
from
you just
this.
sit down like this or like this, up to you want. But no, like this can be like
Yeah.
this. Okay. And you from India? You try the same here or different?
I'm from.
You say you're from India.
Yes, I am from India. But there's it's the other side of the road.
Ah,
So over
opposite
here,
here.
yeah, we ride on the
right-hand side.
we are on the left side. You ride on the right
Right-hand
side.
side,
Yeah, I was confused when I was riding my cycle,
Yeah.
so it took some time to understand.
So just follow our guide.
Yeah,
And we're gonna drive from here to the countryside about 1 or 2 p.m.
yep.
And after countryside, and just stay on the right hand side, not
see.
go to the left. Okay.
So we are going to ride for 2 kilometers.
No, I mean from here to the countryside about 1 or 2 km.
Ah, 1 or 2 kilometers.
Yeah,
But our
completely countryside with the small road and dust road, something like that.
I see. Oh, okay, great.
And also, please don't race each other. Please don't overtake each other.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no, not doing any stupid
Forza
thing. Yeah.
is like a remember safety first. Yeah, we are not going to race. And also, they on the way there are cow or buffalo. They walk on the way, and sometimes they made some shit on the way.
I
So
see.
when you see the cow shit, even small, even big, you better to avoid. Don't stop it. If you stop, it's not dangerous, but the wheel
Oh, it will.
it will come to you.
Oh, I
The
understand.
drive will come to you everywhere.
Ah, okay.
And
Yeah, that's the most important part.
yeah. And like before you leave, please sign in our release liability.
Ah,
form.
the disclaimer.
If you get dangerous, it's not our fault because everything you control by yourself.
Yeah.
If you damage the car, we will ask you to pay for the damage because he have no insurance cover.
I see you don't have insurance cover,
Yeah.
so.
If you agree with that, I make you helmet, face mask. We will make a short training first to make sure. And then
But you charge as per the damage, right?
Yeah,
like
yeah,
in
yeah.
case the plastic is broken, you.
Yeah. It depends on the how situation.
But
But
if
we are
some.
not going to race, just try it.
Yeah.
Follow to the guy, not dangerous.
Okay, great. So we will leave at 5 now, or we will leave at 5, or you will first see how my turning
Make a
is.
short training first.
अभी क्वाड बाइक की इन्होंने टेस्टिंग ली है कि कैसा करता है बंदा, टर्न ऑन करा के देखा है तो इन्होंने ओके सिग्नल दे दिया। तो शायद ये मेरे साथ इंस्ट्रक्टर नहीं बैठाएंगे पीछे, मुझे ही करना पड़ेगा। भाई ये हमसे तो चल नहीं रही यार, ये बम्पी रोड पे हाथ इधर उधर हो रहा है मेरे से, थोड़ी स्टीयरिंग मेंटेन नहीं हो रही। तो अभी ये इंस्ट्रक्टर पीछे बैठ के फिर चलाएगा मेरे से, क्योंकि मेरे से तो ये चल नहीं रही। बार बार उधर साइड जा रही थी तो मैंने इस भाई से कहा तू ही चला, और ये तो धर्राटे काट रहा है भाई, हैवी ड्राइवर है एकदम। हम ये व्यू का एंजॉय लेते हैं। अपने मैं सनग्लासेस हटाऊँ तो मेरे को कंट्री साइड का व्यू देखना। देख लो भाई, कंबोडिया कंट्री साइड ऐसा है सिस्टम। तो हाँ यार, कंट्री साइड के व्यू के मज़े लेते हैं और क्या। इस बाइक को दे दिया मैंने हैंडल, चला। कंट्री साइड Do you have wheat also? Wheat in Cambodia?
Wheat?
Yeah.
They have, but it's not here.
No, not in this part.
Yeah. Buffalo here.
Buffalo.
Buffalo.
This is same like India.
Not the same?
Yeah, but their horn is bigger, more pointy.
India bigger.
India like a horn, this horn in the small, but this one is bigger. You ride this ATV for how long? 5 years?
How long was here?
Yeah, like you ride this for how long? 5 years, 10 years?
Right.
Yeah. For how long you have been riding this ATV?
Riding here.
Yes.
7 years already.
7 years.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
And I learned how to I learned how to drive just only 5 minutes.
Within 5 minutes.
Just 5 minutes and drive.
Wow.
Easy.
Because you ride motorcycle, right?
Yeah. I ride motorcycle, tuk-tuk.
Yeah.
Tuk-tuk like a tuk-tuk driver.
I see, yeah.
Tuk-tuk, everything.
Because this is like tuk-tuk.
Yeah, just like tuk-tuk.
Yeah. भाई तो ये भाई अभी बता रहा था एक कल सिंगापुर की बंदी थी, वो ATV राइड कर रही थी, उससे भी ढंग से नहीं हुई और वो यहाँ पानी में गिर गया, वो हॉस्पिटल में है। तो भाई डेंजरस है काफ़ी। और तो इंस्ट्रक्टर के साथ ही आना अगर तुम कंफर्टेबल फील ना करो तो। भाई साहब, दिस ऑल राइट साहब?
Yeah, all right.
Oh,
Like that.
yeah. This rice need water, likes a lot of water.
These are right now no need water.
No need water. Oh, it's already ready to cut.
Ready to cut.
Oh, I
And
see.
then that need water.
I
More
see.
water.
That is
Drink
more.
one.
Yeah, that
Drink
needs more water.
Yeah.
And you get water from the river.
Yeah, from the Siem Reap River.
I see. Siam River. That's good. Because in India no river, so we need borewell. You know borewell? Underwater, groundwater.
Oh, groundwater.
Yeah. Because we don't have rivers, so we grow wheat, mustard. Whoa!
Sorry.
This is good. It's good, bro. You take, else I accident definitely. भाई गाय हैं, भैंस है, nice. और watch. Okay.
Take a rest. And some photo here.
Okay,
Good
great.
place
Yeah,
for photo.
I see.
And then off.
These buffalo are wild or can
Can take.
not wild, right?
Yeah, no.
This is
okay.
this is male.
Male? Female?
Yeah,
No,
no.
male. Male.
This is male, yeah.
Yeah.
Because
Female.
that is female. You drink buffalo milk in Cambodia or
No,
cow?
Cow milk, buffalo milk, no.
Ah,
In
no.
Cambodia, yes, no. So,
This is buffalo or ox?
buffalo,
Buffalo.
ox,
Ox different side.
it's not here. No, not here.
Wow, bro. But here I can come myself. Like tomorrow, I bring my cycle. Can?
Okay, can.
It's safe
you
here,
know the
right?
way?
Yeah, I think I remember.
Okay, that's can. And when you lose the way, go map.
Yeah, Google
Check.
Map. Yeah, I
But
checked.
Go back, yeah.
But nobody will say no. Like why you are here? Nobody.
No,
will
no,
say.
no, no, but nobody say here.
I see. So
Yeah,
I'm free to come back
this
here.
place okay, but some place, someone else as you.
I see. But this is like the common area along the river. So I just I can cycle here, right? Bring
Yeah,
my
yeah.
mountain bike.
Yeah.
People come here on mountain bike. I think they bring their mountain bike and ride
Yeah,
here.
can.
Mm.
Some rồi.
I see.
Mày anh Đông.
देख लो भाई व्यू.
Đông. Lên lệch này.
तो भाई ये इनकी रिवर है सियाम रिवर और इससे पूरा पानी मिलता है फसलों को. तो यहाँ पर आसपास हर जगह मुझे पूरे वो दिख रहे हैं, चावल ही चावल है, और चावलों को खड़ा पानी चाहिए होता है। तो इसलिए अपने जो नॉर्थ इंडिया में चावल की खेती कम होती है, क्योंकि वहाँ पे पानी कम है। साउथ इंडिया में रहता है, क्योंकि वहाँ जो नदी के किनारे गांव हैं, तो वहाँ पे लोग चावल उगाते हैं, क्योंकि ज़मीन हमेशा गीली रहती है। It's good, bro.
Hometown. That
Ah, your hometown is in the mountain?
The mountain.
So you go there after work, or
Yeah,
you
after
just...
work, back home, on time work.
I see.
No, on time work. So today, normally this month very busy.
I see.
Yeah.
That's, you have a lot of work right now.
Yeah, but no, just a bit.
Just a bit.
Yeah.
But usually it's very busy normally.
Normally before COVID, very busy.
But oh, okay. See, right now it's not so much.
It's not so much. A lot of hill.
Hilly area.
Yeah.
So I can go trekking, but I'm there only for 2 days, so I don't know. I will probably stay in the city. I can bring my mountain bike and go all the way to the mountain. Is it?
You can, if you know,
If you know the way, but it's on the Google map, can easily go there.
Yes, you can.
I see. And is English language very common here? Or I know you work with the customer, that's why you know English. But if I am cycling and if I meet someone, they know English? Some of them,
Some.
yeah. Because in the city, inside the city, most of them knows English. So if you find somewhere I can ride you, let me know.
Yeah.
But I think bumpy everywhere.
Bumpy everywhere.
I see that.
Yeah. And it's dangerous.
Yeah, but it's good you find out I cannot ride, because I don't want to end up in the water.
Yeah. And when you go to water, pay a lot of pay. With the
Yeah,
board.
pay for the ATV. How much a Singapore girl pay?
$100.
$100? And they have like restaurant and food here, right? Local food.
Local food.
Like I can have my breakfast here somewhere.
You can buy some cake or something here.
Oh, okay. I say Naga and near Pub Street. Yeah, Naga Angkor Hotel. You know that hotel? Naga Angkor.
Yeah?
Naga Angkor Hotel.
Nada.
Yeah, near Pub Street, 400 meters from Pub Street.
Okay.
काफ़ी खाली 512 GB का लाया हूँ, इसलिए 1080 में शूट कर रहा हूँ वीडियो। नहीं तो ये वाली वीडियो तो भाई पूरे 4K वाली वीडियो थी। तो कल जब सनराइज़ देखना होगा 4K वीडियो लूँगा एक पूरी मस्त, आऊँगा टाइम लैप्स वाली बनाऊँगा, देखते हैं। Fishing, yeah. Dinner. Mountain bike पे। Now you will clean, huh?
Yeah, I clean.
You will clean.
Yeah.
You also offer mountain bike rides?
No.
No, only ATV.
Yes. I clean first and
Then you will park it.
Yes.
Oh, you have so many of them.
Yeah. Clean and go back home at night.
You are going back home now?
Now,
You have more customer?
clean first.
Only you have only one trip for sunrise.
Yeah, for sunset.
Sorry, sunset. No sunrise.
It has sunrise also.
I have sunrise also.
Sunrise too.
Oh, okay, nice. What is the name of that place where we go? The sunrise spot? Maybe I will check in the Google.
Trio.
Trio?